Hello friend, this is a short video and today I'm going to show you how can we create a vibrant warm atmosphere effect in a Photoshop. So first of all you need to open your image in a Photoshop and take a gradient map adjustment layer and choose this gradient and click OK and collapse the properties and then decrease the opacity and change the blend mode into soft light. Take one more adjustment layer and this layer color balance and increase the red, increase green and increase yellow and then collapse the layer. And now take one more level adjustment layer and increase the highlights. Now you can see the changes in your photo. I think it should be fine.